What you're looking at is an Atlas 3991 12-inch It is not brand new, obviously, but it's mine. I've been after a bigger lathe, a better lathe, and this one fits the bill. I'm excited. What you're looking at is a broken part. The Atlas 3991, that's what you just saw in the preview. I bought that last week down in Fort Worth, Texas. The trip was fun. My wife and I made a day of it, went down, looked it over really well. I liked what I saw. I know very little to nothing about these lathes, but I'm learning as I go along. And I know that that thing will not operate without this. This is the belt tension lever. It loosens or tightens the belts to be able to change the headstock feed, the spindle speed. The part was broken. I thought that it would be an easy fix. I believed wholeheartedly this is aluminum, and I thought that it was aluminum, and it still may very well be aluminum. The problem is that it won't weld together. I've tried brazing it, and that did not stick. And I used really good brazing rods, got the part heated up properly, tried to braze it together. It looked like it was going to hold. I picked it up, and it fell apart. I took it to a friend of mine. He has a aluminum TIG set up. He tried TIGging it together. It would not hold. We would get it set up, get it TIGged, it looked really pretty, we pick it up, put a little bit of pressure on it, and it busted. And so I'm not exactly sure what grade of aluminum this is, or if it's even aluminum at all, but I have a solution. I have a piece of 1/2 inch round. It's about 1.5 inches long, a little 1 3/4 inches long. We're going to turn down this piece right here. It's got a 1/2 inch bore. It's got a slide pin. I've got this piece of steel. We're going to be able to blacksmith this to look like this. I do need to leave an end for this 7/16 13 thread on the end. 7/16 13 thread. Going to reuse this ball. We're going to make the part. Come along. I'm going to have a lot of fun doing this. Yeah. That's all I need. Just a mark. Another 20. 40, and go. Alright guys, so you saw me turn this piece here on the Grizzly, and my original plan was to take this and smith it down to the 7/16 on one end and then just flatten, making it skinny on the other end here. But while I slept, I had an idea that I could turn down a piece of 3/4 to the 7/16 diameter, so I can get that 7/16 20 thread. In the earlier video I said it was a 7/16 13. It's actually a 7/16 20. Then I put a taper right here. It's just a 10-degree taper, and my plan is now to leave this as the 7/16, and we're just going to heat up this part right here, and we're going to turn it into the remaining pieces, if I can find it, that look like that right there. So we're going to flatten it out. We're going to leave the 7/16. We'll put the little bend in it after I've got it flattened out and made the way that I wanted, including grinding, making it pretty. We got our bevel cut. Not sure if I got the footage of that because this camera switches itself over to photo when I'm not looking. I'm not sure why. Cutting oil. Did polish the wheel up just a little bit. That's a good fit. Do a little test fit here. Can't line it up. Ooh, nice fit. Very nice fit. Pin. There it goes.